Looking at your LT5 assignment, once again, don't forget your name. Don't have your name. I can't give you any points. Question number 2. There are multiple correct answers here. So you're not going to get just the single answer from me. We'll give you a hint if you're struggling with this one. Is notice there's only 3 digits here supplementary. We know supplementary they add to 180. There's only 1 digit that can go in this first box, and that's a 1. Now the rest of it you're going to have to figure out else on your own. Now if we take a look at number 4 here, we've got linear pair and supplementary. The problem is we've got some with y and some with x. You can't solve an equation with x and y. But we can solve this one. Notice these 2 angles add to 180. So we can use that to find y. So we're going to say 2y plus 50 plus 5y minus 17. That equals 280. Or simplify 2y plus 5y is 7y. 50 minus 17 is going to be 33. Equals 180. Then we could subtract 33 from both sides. And we get 7y on the left equals 180 minus 33. Well, 180 minus 33 is 147. So we'll divide both sides by 7. And y would be 21. That's where we're supposed to find y. Now I could find x the same way. In fact, I think that's what I'll do. I'll say, oh, okay, now we'll turn around. We'll say 7x minus 248 plus x plus 44. That also equals 180. And we're just going to turn around and we're going to simplify like we did before. 7 plus 1 is 8x. If we go negative 248 plus 44, that'll be negative 204 equals 180. Then we'll add 204 to both sides. (8x) equals 0 plus 4 is 4, so we get 384. We'll divide both sides by 8. 384 divided by 8 turns out to be 48. Realize we could have substituted 21 in for y and then use that to find x just as well. Now if we take a look at the next question, we've got an x and y in here and we have to figure out what's going on. First off, look for your vertical angles. And so if I look at this question right here, if I can get my pen to work, there we go. If I trace the sides that make 5x plus 4, notice 5x plus 4 and 114, they're the same because they're vertical angles. So we can use that. We're going to say, oh, 5x plus 4 equals 114. I could not have used a straight line because notice 5x plus 4 plus 3x minus, then I got 2 variables. Can't do it that way. So what I am going to do is I'm going to solve for x, then I'll go back to and help find y. So now let's solve for x. So I'll minus 4 from both sides. And we get 5x equals 110. Divide by 5. X would be 22. Now we're going to use that to solve. So if I go 5x plus 4, I already knew that was 114, didn't I? And now if I put x in for 3x minus 24, 3 times 22 is 66. 66 minus 24 would equal 42. So this angle is 42 degrees. Now we're going to use that fact of what we did before. That is, all three of these angles add to 180. That is, I can say 114 plus 42 plus 2y equals 180. Notice, I could have used these three angles. I'll get the same numbers to get 180 degrees. So now let's combine our like terms. 114 plus 42 is 156 plus 2y equals 180. So we'll subtract 156 from both sides. 2y equals 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. So equals 24 divided by 2. Y equals 12 on this question. That is, we got 22 and 12 for x and y.